Hello, my name is Nolan Coon. Welcome to my presentation of my workplace health promotion program. My assigned company is Rockview Farms, a dairy producer out of Downey, California. My program is titled Employee Yoga and Physical Activity Company Initiative, and the goal of the program was to increase weekly fitness and health of Rockview employees. Rockview Farms is an American dairy production company. It can produce dairy products such as milk, heavy cream, butter, coffee creamers, and more. They mainly employ farmers, dairy experts, and overall blue-collar, hardworking Americans. Rockview Farms is based in Downey, California of the United States and has around 110,000 citizens in the town. While most people would think of places such as Wisconsin and Idaho as American dairy, California actually has a vast and growing farming community that many across the country are unaware of. United States healthcare system and hospitals are around for most in America for those who are willing to pay. Often without insurance, many low-income Americans struggle to find an affordable healthcare option. There's many healthcare options in the U.S., including Medicare, Medicaid, and other private insurances. Many employers in the United States try and provide medical benefits to full-time employees to help break that barrier of expensive and finding the right and affordable coverage. American culture includes a love for food and indulging on the melting pot of cultures and the food that comes along with such a diverse country. Fast food has become a great option because of its cheap prices and great taste, and has been a major key for Americans due to the rising economy in the last few years. Fitness is often associated in American pop culture as a norm, but if you look at the statistics, America truly lacks in normal habit of exercise. And many people believe this could be due to previous medical issues such as obesity and new age technology, with many jobs being converted from in the office to remote and work from home positions. Obesity and high cholesterol are just the start of problems that many Americans face. Initially trying to contact the CEO at Rockview Farms almost agreed was a struggle, so I was able to come in contact with someone from the Human Resources Department, Norma Chavez. In my email to her, I explained that I was a senior at UCI and I was trying to implement a health promotion program into a company such as Rockview Farms. I explained my end goal was to boost physical activity and fitness through yoga at the workplace at Rockview Farms, and Norma responded explaining that Rockview, with over 300 employees at their Downey headquarters, could truly benefit from such a program, and she thought stretching and yoga would be a great place for blue-collar workers such as dairy farmers to prevent injury and boost long-term health. Together, we were able to realize that this program was important to the company due to, it shows that the company truly cares about their employees and their well-being and create a safer and healthier work environment for everyone involved. Benefits of the program to the company include a great talking point in recruitment for why people should want to work for Rockview Farms. It will bring in new talent and show that the company truly cares about its employees. Studies show that physical activity creates endorphins that lower stress and boost engagement. A workforce of calm people who are focused on their jobs will create a more efficient workplace and ultimately a greater product. And as a producer, it's a great marketing use to have your people who consume your product more than anyone looking lean and in shape. Some of the benefits for the employees include an obtainable goal, such as getting in better shape, and factory workers and farmers like those who work at Rockview Farms create strain on their body day to day. Yoga and stretching routines create a healthy habit to build up stress on the muscles and joints while building great muscle balance in the body for hardworking employees. If they're able to stay committed to the program, employees will be able to stay productive and get through shifts with more ease, making their work feel less like a chore and more like a great opportunity to achieve new milestones. The initial employee health assessment included the average American, which is how I initially looked at Rockview employees. Normally, the average American will be dealing with one of the few health issues: obesity, high cholesterol, diabetes, or heart disease. Also, as blue-collar workers, a lot of the Rockview Farms employees could complain about joint pain, muscle aches, and common physical stress-related activities. My proposed health program would help fight against these common injuries, and the program would include deep stretching, proper recovery time, and weight training. When initially starting, I asked the employees some survey questions, including how many days per week would you say you're physically active, and how much pain and soreness do you feel at the end of the work week on a scale from 1 to 10. These were able to let me gauge the general feel of the workforce and see how the promotion program could work best. The overall design of the program would be increase the physical activity of the employees through the power of strong yoga plan and bodyweight exercises. The plan would be incentive-based through a great weekly yoga exercise plan, and this could be tracked through, yoga is a step-based start, and certain poses and workouts can only be achieved through practice and increased bodily strength. My incentive program for the health program would include chances to earn awards like an extra day vacation or free lunches to the employee who had shown the most progress in their yoga and in their body weight exercises throughout the month. I believe this would increase camaraderie in the workplace and bring a healthy outlook to the entire community at Rockview. How I'd implement this to the workforce would include showing the straight facts to the workers to get them excited to join in. Rockview Farms employees would see that a muscle-balanced body can reduce common injury by 35%, and an increase in strength over the course of the year will reduce risk of injury by a lofty 70%. Strong yoga and Pilates exercise plans increase strength and muscular balance, as most bodyweight workouts routines promote. Another plus that could be used to implement this program and get employees on board would explain that these exercises could be completely free, no need for memberships or expensive workout machines. They could be done anywhere from home or at work when given free time. This is also a great physical activity education for all the workers, and it'd be a great way to get them on board. Throughout the program, I would evaluate the workers and the program overall by honest surveys and peer review and open discussion with the workers, asking questions of what could be changed and what they like and dislike about the program. And then also, like I mentioned earlier, the levels of poses in yoga are a really great way to gauge on how people are making progress and if they're able to work their way up through committed exercise. The expected results and end results of the program were employees were able to increase muscular strength and balance, which led to decrease in muscle pain and overall stress on the body. And then also, yoga had proven to benefit the mental health, releasing stress after a long work week and overall increasing camaraderie in the workplace. I was able to collect employee feedback through survey, progress pictures for those who were willing to participate, the levels of different yoga poses as people worked their ways up the ladder, and open discussion. At the end of the program, I was able to report back to Norma Chavez in Human Resources logs of surveys of answers with willing participant review from employees, along with a report of my own on the company's employee-corporate relationship, to allow the leads of the company to get an understanding of the status of the company's workplace environment from a non-biased outside viewer. Norma and Rockview Farms were happy to hear that the positive feedback from their workers and the overall positive feel for the company from an outsider. Overall, I believe the workplace health promotion program would be a great fit for Rockview Farms as a classic blue-collar American company. The workers and company would both benefit from this fitness and wellness-based initiative. A great thing to see in the future and recommendation of mine for Rockview Farms would be to create a mental health initiative to follow along with the proposed physical activity promotion. Hard labor is tough on the body and the mind, and speaking to someone is a great way to, at any level of workers at times. I thoroughly enjoyed investigating Rockview Farms and believe they're a company that will continue on their path of success and become a company that many strive to be employed at. Here's a list of some of my sources and works cited that I used throughout this project. Thank you.